Hello, YouTube people. It's Crazy Hair Lady here again. So today I did not have a craft video this week. I've been really busy with my eBay store and some other stuff I got going on. But there are a couple things I've been wanting to talk to y'all about. They're like ways to recycle things that you can repurpose, and I had several of them that I wanted to show you, so I'm just going to put them all together in today's video. First one, let me get this out of the way so I can put it back in the freezer. If you like hint water, which I love, I just don't love the price of it. It's like $1 a bottle, which doesn't seem like a lot, but if you drink all the water you're supposed to drink a day, it adds up. But I don't really like regular water. I just don't like it. This has no sugar, no nothing. It just has a hint of flavor. Like this one is watermelon. Well, I figured out what you can do for way less than $1 a bottle. Use these. You just put a drop or two in it. It tastes just like hint water. I'm loving it. There's so many different flavors. Now, some of these come in a bottle like this with the little dropper top, so you can easily put a drop in. Some of them, like butter, which you might think sounds gross, but I like a drop or two of butter and a drop or two of maple in my coffee. That's another thing you can use them for. It's like butter maple coffee. It's really good. But anyway, when they come in a lid like this, you don't want to dump a whole bunch in. So my daughter had turned me on to these little glass bottles with the stopper, dropper thing that you can get on Amazon. And I got mine from her, so I don't know what she paid for them. But I'm sure on Amazon you probably can get 40 of them for $5 or something, you know. Probably made in China, probably coming from China. So, these are little labels that I had for my mason jars, and they're washable labels. You can wash the whole label off when it runs out, so it's fading from where I've been picking it up. But this stuff comes in all kinds of flavors. I've got coconut, I've got the butter, I've got the orange, raspberry, another orange, banana, vanilla. So you get the picture. You can just take a drop or two. You can have a strawberry banana, put a drop of each one. But I'm telling you, it tastes just like hint water. So I think that's how they make the hint water. Hint, hint. And then they just charge you a bunch. These are like $2 a bottle here in Texas. I don't know if it's different somewhere else, like $2.09 or something. And you could get a gazillion bottles out of one of those. Also, they have them in different like brands that you can get online. I went online looking for mango because I'm having a mango thing lately. So I got this one. They're Rockin' Drops mango flavor, and it's in a dropper bottle. Don't remember what I paid. I've been drinking these for a while. Have no clue why I have a grape. I don't even like grape. I like grapes, but I don't like grape flavored stuff. That's probably why it's not open. But anyway, this is called Loran Oils. So enough about that. The next thing, if y'all are like me and you went to the Dollar Tree when they had all these little lights in the spring and they're so cute, and you need 10 of them because they're only $1, you got them all over your yard, and halfway through the summer they burned out. They were solar lights. Their little eyes glowed. They were really cute until they weren't. I was about to throw them away. You know, I hate to throw stuff in the trash. When I figured out, take a screwdriver, pry off the back, take your scissors, snip these wires, snip them, you know, way down in there close. If the eyes are still good, some of mine, the eyes are loose, so I put E6000 inside, which is weatherproof. Then what you do, they already have a hole in the bottom, so just put a rock over that hole, put your sand in there, and put your little succulent. I don't do succulents, but they're real popular right now. I have a daughter she's got a gazillion. She lives in California, and she's always FaceTiming me to show me her succulents that she's so happy with. Oh, look, they just pulled out. I didn't even cut these. They just pulled right out. But anyway, for me, I'm thinking of a pencil holder or scissor holders. But I thought they would be so cute for the succulents. Have them growing up here above his head. You could take these eyes out if you wanted and put some other kind of eye, or paint the eye socket, or paint it from behind the little circle in the middle. Anyway, so that's a good idea if you haven't already thrown these out. Next one, I've got two more to show you. I'm a big coffee fiend. I don't know what's come over me the past year or two. I've just been addicted to coffee. So I like the creamer that comes in these, the liquid creamer. Don't throw them out. They're really easy to clean. I have my chia seeds in here, chia seeds. I have chocolate in here for hot chocolate in the winter. I used to get this powdered, so I saved some of these. Look, I have collagen. I have some that have the chia seeds in it, and then I have some that have I forget what it's called, some kind of fiber stuff. But I'm constantly making smoothies. I'm having a iced coffee smoothie now because I just can't get enough coffee. But anyway, you'll have them in these and just pour it in there, throw it in the blender, good to go. So I love how you could just pop the top, pour it out. So that was another one. And then my last one, I've got to go outside to show you. So I'll be right back. Okay, we're running out of daylight, so it's hard to see. Well, we have daylight, but I have these shades up here that are blocking. This is just driftwood. I've drilled a hole. 2 holes on top, 2 holes on the bottom. Next. I burned this in with my wood burning kit, but you could leave it plain. You could use this with sticks and just drill 1 hole, tie a knot underneath, you know, like this. This one was a thin piece of driftwood. Drill a hole straight through. And this was an old tomato stake I had. I put it there to get it started instead of making it go all the way to the bottom. And then it can just climb up there. All it is twine with driftwood. But like I always tell you, you don't have to use driftwood just because I did. You can use sticks. If you got twigs, you're trimming trees or whatever. Some old wood you have laying around, some PVC pipe, whatever. I think it's an adorable thingy bopper. I don't even know what you call it. But that's it. All I have for you today. I will see you next Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.